Allow us now to give a few highlights about South headquarters here where we are seated today.
Kwa miaka 20 sasa, nikiwa councillor kwa miaka 10, miaka 5 MCA, the first deputy speaker of Kajiado County.
He has done so much for me. I will sing of his.
Shida yote ambayo tumezungumzia, we have been listening to these issues and my colleagues in cabinet who I understand mambo ya bei ya mafuta, challenges kwa energy sector. Wiki hii kufuatia yale mabadiliko yalifanywa na Mheshimiwa Rais last week, we will start an aggressive program of addressing some of these challenges in the energy sector. Na nina hakika the price of fuel will not only come down, but even the bills we are paying for electricity, we are going to work hard to ensure that they come down also. We are committed on this. We have been given this assignment sometime this week. We will be having a meeting with stakeholders, hata mimi mwenyewe nitaenda huko with my colleagues in the sector to ensure that the recommendations that were made by that task force na ile kazi Mheshimiwa Rais ametuambia tufanye, tutaifanya. Tuhakikishe kwamba tumepunguza gharama ya stima. Sababu it's a serious problem in this country. There is no way we are going to go forward with the kind of electricity bills we are paying. Lakini we have identified where the challenges are. I will not talk about them today. Lakini wakati huo tutakuwa na meeting as stakeholders. I will speak very openly and candidly about what our challenges are and how we intend to resolve them so that we move forward on this matter.
Wakati huu tuwe pamoja na kanisa tukianza usajili wa wapiga kura kuanzia Jumatatu. Kanisa pia liwe mstari wa mbele. Sababu wale ambao tunasajili sasa ni haswa vijana ambao wanaenda kupiga kura kwa mara ya kwanza. About 6 million of them. Hawa wako kwa makanisa yetu, wako kwa kwaya zetu za kanisa, wako kwa youth groups. We want to see guidance from the church also. Leaders wakimobilize voter registration, churches should also play a part. Lakini pia watume hawa youth wetu wawe mabalozi wa amani.
Na nimeona you have so many young people who are here. Please come out and register so that you can vote and get the right people in power. They say that God is the one that chooses our leaders, but it's through your votes that happens.